So in this video, we're going to evaluate logarithms without a calculator. Now, whoops, your calculator has a logarithm button, and we'll show you how to use those. But right now, we're going to show you how to do it without a calculator. Okay, so they give us an equation, which is kind of helpful. And we're supposed to evaluate this side here. We're supposed to figure out what y is. So what we do is we convert it to exponential form. So here's the base, 4. And we go across here to get the exponent, y equals, and then it's going to equal the argument. Now your snail is facing the other way. You could always rewrite that equation if you're like, no, I have to have the logarithm on the left. You could always rewrite it like that. Equations are symmetric, so you can do that. All right, so what we really want to do is say, well, 4 to some power equals 64. Now, just off the top of your head, you might know that. If you don't, then try to get the 64 to be a power of 4. And 64 is 4 cubed. So you can do that on a calculator if you want, or maybe you just know. So what that means then is y equals 3. So the exponent here has to equal the exponent there because the bases are the same, and they're equal. So we were trying to figure out what this equaled, log base 4 of 64, and it equals 3. Okay, so now we're going to do another one. So we have a log base 3, so it's 3, and then the exponent's going to be y equals 1 over 27. That one might be a little bit harder to do, but you could say it's 3 to the y equals 1 over, now you know 27 is 3 cubed, right? How do you do the 1 over thing, though? Well, you can make it 3 to the y equals 3 to the negative 3, because a negative exponent would make it reciprocal, putting it in the denominator. So now our bases are the same, 3 and 3, so y has to equal negative 3. So that one's a little bit trickier, but hopefully you're getting it. And it all has to do with thinking of it not as a logarithm, but in exponential form. Then you can evaluate it.